Well, good afternoon. So, this is a low-cost model of a mechanical ventilator. About the circuit, we can say that we have over here a compressor that is going to simulate our oxygen or air source, and over here we can see that is connected to a manometer or a pressure sensor, a register, an electro bulb, a pressure sensor, and a flow sensor. And in our case, we are going to work with a globe, with a bloom that is going to up and down with the air inside of it. So, about the circuit, we can say that all is controlled about an Arduino 1, and the user can start the two ventilator modes by pulsing these two red buttons. This one controls the A and B mode, and this one changes to C and B mode. These three little lamps are from the alarms of the system. As you can see, this one lights up when there's something that is not okay with the system. So to start the process, we are going to start this up. So, how I was saying, I'm going to pulse the button from the A and C and A and B mode. So, as you can see, the bloom starts insufflating and disinsuflating. So, how this mode works? Well, the modes, it's going to be a relation 1-3, 1-2 inspiration, 3-4 expiration. So it works in this way. It sends up to the patient 1 second of fluid, of pressure, of some pressure of air, and the patient inhales, and 3 seconds to exhalation of the self-patient. So, about the CMB mode, this relation changed to 1-6. So, one entering and five in expiration.
Well, the graphs of the sensors is the yellow is the pressure sensor and the blue is the flow sensor. In this case, the pressure is constant, and the change of the flow is very different because is the change what the valve will open, the fluid continue in this case and inflate. In the opposite case, the valve close and the area of the compressor liberate in this case. What? The other moment is the code. In this code, in this code, I see the fluid on the pressure voltage and evaluate second to second. In the other sequence, you can in the source of the pressure, you close the valve and view and calibrate the pressure of the unit, and you open the valve and the globe can change de tamaño. Well, the alarms. The alarms used in this device is very easy. The red line you used to say, oh, the pressure is very high and the patient he's danger to the patient. Okay, the other case is the down flow and the low pressure. The blue line is the down flow in the system. You can see in the moment down flow and down pressure, but the bubble is closed. And down pressure is the green. Is the same with down flow and down pressure into the system. Well, okay.